Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming support and updating firmware. This removes known bugs and ensures compatibility. Once done, switch to a wired or high-quality wireless link to avoid compression artifacts. Make sure your audio sample rate and bit depth match the content. Mismatches cause processing errors. Next, close background apps that steal CPU and audio buffers so the Spatial engine runs smoothly. These first steps reduce interference and prepare the system for precise calibration and testing that follow. You now calibrate and route sound. Choose the Spatial profile or HRTF tailored to your headphones. This shapes how sounds localize around you. Then route audio through the OS Spatial engine or a DAW with Spatial plugins so processing is consistent. Adjust per channel levels, small delays, and virtualization depth to match real-world cues. Subtle timing changes alter perceived distance. Make sure channel mapping is correct. Left/right swaps break immersion. Once set, run a test sweep and note discrepancies to tweak. Finish by testing with real content and performing A/B comparisons so you hear differences. If something sounds off, tweak the last few parameters, then reset the Spatial engine cache and reboot audio drivers to clear stale processing. Make sure to test an alternate headset or bypass virtualization with direct pass-through to isolate hardware versus software issues. If problems persist, document exact symptoms and retry firmware rollback or vendor support. This narrows root causes and gets you back to accurate Spatial audio quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.